So this is a pretty straightforward problem. It deals with Kepler's laws, and it asks the question, if the elliptical orbit of the planet around the sun is shown on the diagram, which of the following statements is true? There's a lot of different points that we go through, but let's check these things out. So I know that an ellipse has an eccentricity between 0 and 1. So my eccentricity less than 0 is not right. My eccentricity of the orbit is greater than 1. Both of those are wrong because I know that my eccentricity for an ellipse is going to somewhere between 0 and 1. At 1, it turns into a parabola, and at 0, it is a circle. All right, so now it asks which of the three locations might be the location of the sun? Well, the sun can't be at C, otherwise it would have to have a perfectly circular orbit. If so, I know that C is right out because the orbit is elliptical, it's not circular. I also know that it has to be along, I have two axes. I have my major axes and I have my minor axes. And I know that for an orbit, that one of the objects has to be along the major axes. So D is not the right answer either. B is the only place that I can possibly have the right location of the sun. If I have an ellipse, go along with my center there, at one of the two focal points of the ellipse, there's one on each side, but at one of the two foci, I get my location of the sun.